Out for you. This is Storm Team 8.
And starting off with a live view here of the Gerald R. Ford International Airport Skycam. Quite the difference from this morning when I was showing this to you on daybreak, when we still had some of those low clouds in place and a little bit of fog issue, so the visibility was hindered just a bit. But I tell you what, we've cleared all of that out of the area, and I think we'll be looking at abundant sunshine as we head through the rest of your afternoon. High pressure is built into the Great Lakes. It's going to slide just to our west, so with that flow behind it from the north and northwest, we're looking at those pleasant conditions and actually dry conditions throughout all of the Great Lakes region. The visible satellite shows that cloud deck slowly sinking its way off to the south over the last couple of hours. Clear skies to the north and then partly cloudy to the south. What we're keeping an eye on here, well, first of all, we've got a couple of really nice days coming up, comfortable and less humid, not only this afternoon, into tomorrow as well. And actually tonight I think is going to be a nice one. Maybe you have a little fire pit in the backyard and you can roast a few marshmallows. Would be a good night for that, or perhaps an evening swim in the backyard pool. The next chance for storms in the area is going to arrive Wednesday, but more so late Wednesday afternoon into the evening hours. And this is not a sure bet for everybody. We're going to start to increase the humidity, though, and that will allow a chance for at least a storm at that point. Better chance comes Thursday and Friday, and then we dry it out just in time for the weekend. But I tell you what, we're going to keep the temperatures pretty warm, close to 90, so in my mind that kind of qualifies as hot. 80 degrees now in Grand Rapids, same thing for Ionia. We're 1 degree better in Kalamazoo now at 81. Look at the beaches, though. This temperature on the left, mid-70s. How do you beat that? Not too bad. In dew points, these are on their way down as well, making it feel much nicer outside. 54 in Big Rapids and Fremont. If you had to pick a dew point, you'd probably pick one in the mid-50s because the air is not too dry and it's also not too moist. Once you still get into the mid-60s, it's a little bit uncomfortable south of Interstate 96, but these lower dew points are slowly sinking their way to the south, so continued improvement as we head through the afternoon. And here's the 24-hour forecast showing still those mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies at 6 o'clock. Low to mid-80s for highs, a little cooler at the beaches. By midnight, upper 60s for some of us. We're going to have a weak little trough or disturbance pass by just to our north overnight, so we'll see an increase in cloud cover, but any light rain showers should stay in the northern part of the lower peninsula, and we wake up to readings tomorrow in the mid-60s. Upper 70s, close to 80 by noon, with more sunshine coming our way, and we keep that northwesterly wind flow for tomorrow afternoon with temps perhaps a degree or two higher. Now, if you're heading out to the beach today, the waters are warm. Look at these readings, brand new from the lifeguard stations. We're looking at mid to upper 70s, but there is an elevated risk for rip current south of Grand Haven, so in that case, you are advised to stay out of the water. Farther north, always use caution when you're going into water of any kind, Lake Michigan or the backyard swimming pool. The 8-day forecast, 84 degrees tomorrow, still comfortable Tuesday night. Wednesday we bring back the heat and the humidity. Slight chance for a storm Wednesday night. Better chance Thursday into Friday. And then as we look into the weekend, not a change in the temperature department, but Thursday and Friday will be quite humid. Saturday and Sunday, not quite as bad. So fairly comfortable, but still warm. Good sunscreen day, but you can likely spend some more time outside.
Good sun. We're going through a lot of it at my house this year.
I was going to say, you know, me too.
Sunscreen.
I gotta say that spray bottle stuff is expensive too. You're talking like $7 a bottle.